This is the Bell and Howell Film Projector, 8mm only. This is not a dual for Super 8. Here we see it operating. There we have the projected image on the wall. I'm adjusting the focus to show you how that works in detail. Take it back out of focus and then bring it back into focus. So the flicker is a result of different frame rates, but when you're viewing it on the wall, it's stiller. I'm going to show you now some still photographs. There's the lamp, which of course works, and there's the details on the label. Another look at the projector. Yes, it has a take-up reel. That's what it looks like when it starts to fold up. That's what it looks like with the case on.